Hello everybody out in YouTube land. This is Marky Park and today is Thursday, December the 14th. And take a look at what my hat says on it there. I've got my Jungle Book shirt on right now. I am at Disney's Animal Kingdom today. I'm actually here. It's 8:45 a.m. In the morning, and the park opens at 9, so I'm here for rope drops. That's the first time I've ever been at one of the parks here with my annual pass at rope drop, which means, you know, the park is I'm here when the park opens. So come join me along. It's probably going to be a long day, and sharing my adventures here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Alright, we just passed through security here at Animal Kingdom. And we got a Christmas tree out here in front here. Flag. So I can't remember the last time I've actually been here. It's been a while. Because when it's just my wife and I, we usually only go for a short trip. It's usually less than 5 days. And so we don't usually include Animal Kingdom in our couples trips. So it may have been 6 or 7 years since we've been here. I'm gonna get a look at the tree here real quick. We'll come back at night when it's all lit up. Got your Disney Photo Pass photographer over here. I like the entry here for Animal Kingdom. Another Disney 100 photo opportunity here. Your ticketing, your box office or ticketing booths.
I gotta go to the bathroom first. Let's go first and then we'll do all that stuff.
We're looking for the annual pass holder line. There's usually like one line. Yeah, and it's over here on the right. I see it. Good morning.
Ready to come on in?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Tap that magic band. Put your finger on the blue light, wait for the green light, because green means go have a wild day. And you're all set.
Thanks.
Have a great time. Good morning. Good morning.
Okay. I had some issues with my magic band today when I was getting into the parking lot, but I didn't have any issue right there. So I think we want to head over here to the left because I want to try to get on the Flight of Passage in Pandora. So
Early entry is going to be to your left. To your left-hand side is early entry.
So yeah, obviously I have a lot of people waiting here. Forest. Oh, you got some flamingos over here. Maybe not flamingos. It's almost 9 o'clock. So this is the crowd trying to get in for 9 o'clock. Looks like we got a line that's moving here. Alright, there's Tree of Life up here. So I think there's a holiday show here tonight. We'll have to try to check that out. You got some of the holiday decorations up here. That's supposed to be a partridge in a pear tree. A lot of animal decorations. This is pretty cool. The owls up here. Alright, so see a sign over here directing us to Pandora to your left. More holiday decorations here. So this is one of those days where I actually didn't drink a coffee this morning when I got up. I usually make a coffee in the Keurig, but in all the preparation I didn't really get to do that. I made myself a bagel and that was about it. So keep my eye open for maybe a Joffrey's or Starbucks, because I know definitely know there's a Starbucks here. It says the Flight of Passage is already a 55-minute wait. But if they have a single rider line, that might get us on a little bit faster. So we're going to check it out. So with that early entry for the visitors that are staying in Walt Disney World Resort, they get to come in half an hour early. It used to be an hour. It used to be an hour early entry. Why they decided to make it 30 minutes, I'm not really sure. Doesn't sound like much of a perk to have extra 30 minutes. An hour, yeah. You can get a ride in or two maybe before the regular visitors come into the park, but yeah, the half hour early entry doesn't make any sense to me. Let's see, the light fixtures are changing here. It looks like a beehive. Got this giant pod-like thing over here. It's pulsating. This is a really fun place to come at night. I think we've only been here the one time, right at dusk. So it's kind of hard to see everything lit up. But it's December, so I see the signs for the ride here. End of line, okay. Yeah, we'll go try it out. See what we got. To be honest, I think this is only the second time I've ever been to the Pandora here, the Animal Kingdom. We came last October. I think it was the first time we ever visited here. And there's the floating rocks. A sign over there said 65-minute wait. It's almost 9:10. We'll time it to see how long it is. Everybody. Alright, so I just got out of Flight of Passage. It's about a 4.5-minute ride. It's a very thrilling ride, but it does make you a little bit queasy because It's like a flight simulator. So, and the seat kind of presses up against your belly a little bit. But very fun ride. It's kind of like they took the idea of soaring to like the next level. Basically, it's like soaring, and with the 3D components added into it, but it feels like you're really flying on the back of one of the Banshees. So I take a look here. You got the armored vehicle here, decorated with the Christmas lights, so it probably lights up at night. And you got the Satuli canteen right here. Might come back to this one later today. But I am on a journey to go get some caffeine. So I'm going to have to pull up the map so I know where I'm going. So we dropped some popcorn there.
See how long his beak is?
You got the Tiffins right here. I think I felt a sprinkle. I think we might get a shower here pretty soon. Unfortunately, I don't have an umbrella with me today because there wasn't really any rain in the forecast, but I should have known better. Just a little bit of a sprinkle. So I think Starbucks is over in the Africa section of the park, so it's going to be over here on the left. And behind the trees here is the symbol of the park, Tree of Life. So the wait time for the Flight of Passage was about 50 minutes. So it was a little bit shorter than the 65-minute wait that they posted. There's some otters down here. Let's see if we can catch a glimpse of any otters. See some of the rain spitting on the water here, but no otters. Alright, so we're already at the Creature Comforts. It's right in front of us here. Let's see how bad the wait is here. Alright, so I got my Starbucks. Is there a stroller? Is there a stroller blocking the door? What the heck? Are you serious? What the heck? That was exciting. So yeah, there's my coffee. It's a sugar-free vanilla cold brew with cream. So I see a sign here next to the giraffe for it's tough to be a bug. I haven't done that one since probably it was over at Disney's California Adventure. So I think I'm going to go over there next. Probably not going to be too much of a wait for that one. So yeah, it was sprinkling a little bit ago, but the sun's back out again. Sort of. Definitely want to do the dinosaur ride at some point today in the safari, Kilimanjaro Safari, and then Expedition Everest, which is the roller coaster. There is some holiday theming here. I'm not sure what it'll look like at night, but the park does close at 7. Sun's going to go down around 5:30. So I'm not sure if I'm going to stay the entire time today. I think I may go home maybe at 1 o'clock, somewhere around there. Get something to eat at home and then come back to the park. So we're back at the Tree of Life here. Very majestic. I'm hoping the signs are pointing me in the right direction though for Tough to Be a Bug. But still got a lot of coffee left here to drink. Maybe should have got a smaller. I got the venti. Let's see, is this Tough to Be a Bug? It is. Okay, it's only a 5-minute wait, so I think I am going to come back to that later because I still have a coffee with me. And what do we got here? Look at that. That's pretty awesome. I think I just passed a reindeer marionette. That was pretty cool. Now, obviously, they're playing some holiday music in the background there. They do have a live stage here, so there'll probably be some performers here later today. I smell some food in the air. That's gonna make me hungry. Oh, that's probably the Flame Tree Barbecue over here that I'm smelling. Good. Since we're here, since the birds are here. Hi guys. Let's take a look at the menu. Hopefully I don't get pecked at. I think they're attracted to the barbecue too. So you got some ribs, chicken, and pulled pork sampler, baked macaroni, cheese with pulled pork, smokehouse chicken salad, St. Louis rib dinner, possible burnt ends. That doesn't sound very good. You got half a chicken, smoked pulled pork sandwich, ribs and chicken combo. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of that sounds really good. But yeah, they're probably not open, I'm gonna guess, until 11 o'clock today, but I can smell the food. So let's take a stroll over to Dinoland. So the rumors are that they're gonna redesign this whole area of Animal Kingdom at some point.
Oh, look at that!
Which is a little sad because the dinosaur theme is kind of cool. They did take away one of the rides here. I think the Triceratops spin is the only one that's left as far as rides over here besides the dinosaur. But yeah, it's kind of like a carnival theme back here, and they obviously built this with families with little kids in mind, so it kind of gives them a play area. I think they tried to do like a dinosaur themed Toontown basically. And Disneyland has the Toontown where you've got all the little kids like play areas. Oh, look at this, you got a Santa Dino. Donald's Dino Bash. Not sure what that is, but that's definitely some holiday theming going on here. So since I've still got my Starbucks, can't really get on any rides yet. It's not gonna let me take a coffee. So we're just gonna do kind of a stroll through here. So this is like it's called the Boneyard. It's like a play area for kids. Pretty flowers up there. You got some artists over here. So here's your Triceratops spin. It's the only like carnival like ride that's over here now. Like we'll walk around the carnival here and see where the old ride. I think you can see it's all walled off over there. There must be a Donald photo op here because you got some Christmas trees set up. Yeah. So Donald, it looks like will be here at some point. We got some pin traders. Oh, the magnets! How could I totally forget about it? Oh, I need to go pick up my magnets. Is that in here? Dinosaur treasures. Let's go try and see what we can find. Oh, look at Chip and Dale in dino costumes. Look at that. So, I just got the Annual Passholder magnets from the what's it called? The dinosaur treasures over here. So let me set my coffee down. We'll take a look at them. So we got Figment, and I really like this one. Yeah, Oswald. So I have another magnet at home that I got in the mail, and I can't find a good spot on the car. I was going to put it on the car, and there's a lot of plastic, so it's kind of hard to get those magnets to stick. But I'm going to figure that one out. But yeah, those are really cool. Okay, I'm still over in Dinoland, USA, and still got my caffeinated beverage. Got my Annual Passholder magnets, and we're gonna take a look around the rest of Dinoland, USA while I finish my coffee. So this used to be where this walled area is. Used to be where the old ride was. There was a little roller coaster here. There's a Triceratops spin off the ground there. Anybody recognize that song? Woo! Here, playing some DuckTales. So there's a Donald theme going on right now back here. Carnivores. I think the carnival theme is pretty cute. I don't know if it fits in with the rest of the park, because the rest of the park feels like you're at a Disney zoo, basically.
There's no need to press any buttons. The water comes out automatically. The first one to fill their filter all the way to
They don't even have all the carnival games running right now. This one's not open. This one here is not open.
Alright, everybody. Are you ready to play?
Kind of windy. So picture of the dino there. Okay. So it says dinosaurs this way. So I guess we go this way. Alright. Still got a lot of coffee left. So I just need to follow this road here. And then dinosaurs straight ahead here on the right. I do really like this dinosaur theming. It doesn't really seem like there's a really good restaurant over here, unless I missed it. Oh, maybe there's one right here. It's kind of tucked away. It used to be a McDonald's, I think, over here when it first opened. Come explore the Cretaceous Trail. You may not realize it, but many types of plants and animals living today are survivors of the Cretaceous era, the last great age of the dinosaurs. What you're about to see on the trail is a living past trees, plants, and animals that are either survivors or closely related, descendants of a world that vanished 65 million years ago. Will life find a way? We got dinos here. Christmas lights. And you got a dino photo op here. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of Christmas lights here. So I think we're going to see some fun holiday dinos coming up here. Oh, this is Chip and Dale? Does that keep going? Hello. Oh, this is it? Just exit?
Oh my goodness, it was
Oh, well,
Daisy, Donald,
there's a couple dinosaurs. I guess that's it, huh? Oh, wow. Is that it? And not much of a trail. Okay. That was very disappointing.
My three favorite things about the holidays are
So it just comes, this exit here, comes around over by the dinosaur treasures again. Okay, well, that was a bit of a letdown. It said Cretaceous Trail. I'm thinking, oh, we got a nice little walking path with a bunch of dinos to look at. You had like 3 dinosaurs. So, yeah, just future reference. It's just a meet and greet area, it looks like. I don't know if it's been scaled down from what it used to be. I don't know. I have no idea. But yeah, that was a bummer. I guess you got to go to Universal if you really want the dinosaur attraction. You can see the dino again. The real dinosaur ride is up ahead. This must be the backside of that restaurant. Is it Restaurant Saurus? Is that what it's called? Alright, here we are. Dinosaur. It's fast, it's a blast, it's in the past. Well, it may be before too soon. Dinosaurs. Now you've got some cool dinos in the queue line over here. We've done this queue and it's busier, but I'm pretty sure you can just walk onto this ride here. Yeah, it's a walk-on right now. So I'm gonna take a seat over here as we look at the dino here. There we go. Go find somewhere to sit down, finish my coffee, see if we can rescue a dinosaur. Alright, here we go. 5 minutes. Morning. We're gonna do this. Dinosaur. All this stuff. There's a big one right there.
It's fossilized human flesh from Dishonor. It's from Dishonor.
You got a
The victims.
sea turtle on the back wall there. Extinction. Some kind of asteroid collision. It's a big boy right here. We got a model here of asteroid hitting Earth. Some fossils in the wall there. There's your turtles again. We're officially in the Dino Institute.
Will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures. I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossible
Claire,
because the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tools are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in. Use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong? Hey, it's me again. Remember, only you guys are going on this special mission, so don't tell anyone.
All right, here we go on the dinosaur.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oh no.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur.
to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now. Hang on!
Get some Indiana Jones
I'm
vibes
tracking
from
a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Veggie show. Okay.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Oh, we're better.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Oh!
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver! Left! Right! Left! Right!
Car
That was
maneuvers.
close.
Engage.
Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it!
Oh my
I
god!
knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does.
Oh no.
Thanks for everything!
Woo! Holy cow. Can't believe we made it. Alright. We just got out of Dinosaur. Come out to the gift shop here. There's a giant turtle on the ceiling. So we got a little magic band spot here. Let's take a look. See if you see anything different now. Oh, there's a Jungle Cruise and look. There's Dumbo, Fantasmic, and Donald Duck. There's even a Winnie the Pooh right there. I like the Oswald. Stitch. Old school Walt Disney World. Some fireworks. There's even a tiki room in here too. Loki, that's probably new.
Is that what you chose for today? Okay.
And then you got Big Thunder Mountain here too. And there's your pricing. Most of those bands are going to be $45. So, Dinosaur's always a fun little ride. It's the same. It's basically the same vehicle as the Indiana Jones and the Forbidden Eye at Disneyland. So if they ever decide to retheme this attraction here to Indiana Jones, they already have the vehicle. They just need to change everything, the theming over. So the exit just kind of goes back out to Dinoland USA again. Oh, we're back at the Annual Passholder. Well, there's a line now to get those magnets, so I'm glad I was out here earlier. It's almost 11:15. Probably should have gone left instead of right, but that's okay. So, I think before we head over to Expedition Everest, I think we're gonna go back to Tough to Be a Bug. Oh, Daisy just came out right over here. Crowds are getting a little bit larger here. As we're almost at midday, you got Donald Duck over here signing autographs. So yeah, it seems like this part gets rolling here probably around 11. So we're gonna walk by the restaurant here. I think most of these restaurants probably open around 11 o'clock. Not gonna eat at the park today. I think because I got here at Rope Drop, I think we're gonna take a midday break. Yeah, so it's Restaurantosaurus. Man, it looks like there's a quick serve window here, Dino Bite Snacks. That actually looks like it might be open. Alright. So, I'm just kind of winging it today. No set plans. I did use the Disney Genie on the app to kind of select items that I wanted to do today. There aren't as many rides here as there is in the other parks. But there are a handful of things like Dinosaur and the Kilimanjaro Safaris. Tough to Be a Bug is not really a ride, that's more of a theater attraction. 3D theater. But that one was, like I said earlier, used to be at Bugs Land in Disney's California Adventure. But that's been gone for a few years, and now that's Marvel headquarters now. So we're actually going on, crossing over to Discovery Island here, as you can see by the sign. And we're going to follow signs to It's Tough to Be a Bug. So it looked like it was about to rain earlier, about an hour ago, but it just missed basically. But it's a very comfortable day. It's supposed to be a high in the mid 70s. It's probably maybe 70 degrees out right now. I do have a light hoodie on right now. If it gets any warmer, I'll probably take it off. But very cool, comfortable day here in the park. So, see, it looks like a 10-minute wait, so not too bad. I don't expect this ride probably ever has long wait times. Definitely wouldn't want to waste a lightning lane on It's Tough to Be a Bug. The only ride in the park that you probably want to use lightning lane for, to be honest, would probably be the Flight of Passage over in Pandora. So yeah, 10 minutes, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I haven't been on this in years. I honestly don't even know if we went here when the last time we were with the kids, which was 2016. And we get really close to the Tree of Life. Actually, I think this theater is actually underneath the tree, if I remember right. That's a lot of fun. I can't wait to see what this is like at night, because I know there's like a holiday show. There's always a show here at the Tree of Life at night, but I think they've got a special one for the holidays. Just zipping right through this queue line here. And you see some of the animals here as we're coming up.
Sorry.
You're fine. Yeah, you're gonna start to see some of the animals that are carved into the tree of life here. It's always fun to pick out the different animals on the tree. So we're like in the root system of the tree here. You got a aardvark or anteater up there. Now we're going under the tree. Now we get some more animals coming up there. You got the, it's like a baby elephant. Yeah. Well, that's a dino. Ankylosaur, I think. You got some baboons up there. There's some bugs. There's your bugs. Oh, these signs are always cute. Weevil Knievel. The Termitator. Oh, Claire de Room. Chili. The Dung Brothers. Yep. More animals in the roots here. So you got some reindeer. This is theming for the holidays there. You got your reindeer. See any more animals? Oh, there's some more up here. And we got, looks like a chimpanzee up here too. There you go. Is it a lemur maybe? Spider monkey?
Guys, we do need to close up the chips here.
We're getting close to the theater here. Both the same. All right, here we go. Grab some glasses. Got our glasses. And we're gonna go in and check out It's Tough to Be a Bug. We just got out of Tough to Be a Bug, and there's a waterfall here with some ducks getting a nice little shower right underneath the tree of life. All right, we just got out of It's Tough to Be a Bug. It's always a fun, fun little show in 3D. Yeah, I like all the extra special effects there, especially the Black Widow spiders that come out of the ceiling. I think that's pretty cool. All right, so we're headed over to Asia now. Signpost right here. We're definitely not doing the Kali River Rapids. I don't want to be wet all day. But I think we'll head over to Expedition Everest next. We're near one of the restaurants that we've visited with the kids here before, Yak and Yeti. It's pretty good Asian food here. So there is the Joffrey station. I believe there's two. There's one near the entrance Animal Kingdom, and then you've got this one here. Maybe we'll take a peek at it later today. I had a Starbucks already, so been thoroughly caffeinated. I am going to keep an eye out for restrooms. There are some animals over here in this enclosure. I know they're primates. I just don't remember what kind of primates, but I don't see anybody out here.
He said he's okay. Good for you. Good for you. Continue. Wrong way.
Like most of the parks, Walt Disney World, there's always like a lagoon, and this is the one here in Animal Kingdom. I don't know if they still have a show here anymore, but over by Expedition Everest, there is a outdoor theater, or amphitheater, I guess. A couple years ago, I think right before COVID, they had a, I think it was before COVID, they had a kite, it was a kite show, like the animals were all kites, and don't know if they do that show anymore. I think it was kind of an experimental show, and I think there was a lot of technical issues, so they may not be doing that anymore. And before that, I think there was a Jungle Book themed show here. So we might be getting close to some restrooms here. Let's see. Yeah, we'll make a pit stop here and then we'll head over to Expedition Everest.